one step ahead. And now is going on lockdown stage 2. And hence the lockdown has got a bit easy, and people are allowed to go for exercises, for physical activity, and the parks have been open. So of course maintaining social distance, and while doing exercises we cannot wear mask because it creates oxygen deficiency. So like it's very near to my home. I'll be going now to do some sort of physical activities and also to see around like what it is going on, because after a long time I am actually going out to this park, and before that I used to move out for a walk just near to my home. And now I'm going to this park, so be with me. Let's watch what is going on into UK lockdown phase 2. So we have come to Forest Recreation Ground, and you can see that there are quite a number of people, but people are maintaining social distancing and they have come for exercise. And so come, let's go. Actually it really feels good. The lockdown is going on still. The exercising part has been eased a bit, and so people have come out to enjoy the beautiful sun, the beautiful weather, and of course maintaining social distancing. So I have also come here after many days. Of course I have my mask as well as sanitizer with me, and when necessary I will of course use them. As you can see that not only people are doing exercises, they have also come to enjoy this wonderful weather, as I have told you previously, maintaining social distancing. Some people have brought some foods along with them and they're enjoying this beautiful weather. And I have put on my mask because there are quite a lot of people, and why to take risk, because life is very precious. First and foremost is precaution, life, then everything comes on. So you can see people enjoying, they're playing cricket, playing football, doing some exercises. People have brought some food with them, as I have said, and they are really enjoying the sun.
Wow, the little puppy is also enjoying. Can you see how nicely and happily she is playing?
So gradually with days, hopefully everything will become normal and people will come to their normal life and we'll be able to enjoy again, but yes, keeping social distances. How are you getting the feeling? Some sort of positiveness, isn't it? And it's really tempting to do some workout, if not workout, some jogging, some warm up, because everyone is busy doing something or the other. And when I'll start doing this, I need to open my mask, because as I have said earlier also to you that wearing mask and doing some sort of physical activities is quite dangerous. Enough of exercising, jogging. I just want to enjoy this beautiful sunshine. So I'll take a stroll. I'll be walking through this beautiful ground. So friends,
Which lockdown phase is?
going in your area, and are you going for some physical activities or some exercising? Please write to me in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Enjoy, stay happy, be safe, do your exercises, and subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. And if you are interested in doing some exercises, doing some workouts at home without any equipment, please refer to my videos. I'll be sharing the links, and that's it.